Hi guys, today video is about Ever Stylish Jewelry haul. Let's get started. So first one is this basic golden hoop, which one is must have in your wardrobe. So here I am sharing original and honest review with you. This is for 132 rupees. This is a very lightweight. See, instantly changes my look. Very stylish. Moving on to next one, this is a leaf desire earrings in peach color, but in original color is baby pink. So I'm keeping it because it matches with one of my dress. Very elegant, I like it. Next one is this golden elegant studs, and this is perfect for to wear with jeans and top. See, here's the original look. Very pretty, I like it. This one is simple but beautiful, very elegant. Here the original look. Next one is this owl earrings, which I picked from tiny section, and if you don't like long earrings then go for it. It is very useful for daily use. Here the original look. Next one I choose this neck piece. Here the multiple images, how it looks on skin. I will share price and links in description box so you can purchase. Here I am sharing how to wear it, so keep watching. So take one part, star part, and put it into moon part. So here the trick. Don't put from inner to outer side. Put it from outer to inner side and you'll good to go. Done. Look at this. Next one I choose these tiny earrings, and I wore lot of times. This is also very useful for daily use. Next I choose these heartbeat bracelets. So my review about this bracelet is this is not fitted for thin wrist. So if you don't like this kind of looseness, then don't go for it. Next one is this floral earring, which is best for floral saris. If you have or if you want to purchase, then go for it. This earrings very lightweight. And here the original look. Next one is this geometric earrings. Very stylish. I will pair each and every earrings in future videos with my dresses, so you will get the idea how to team up. Next one is this multiple earrings. This is perfectly matched for my jumpsuit. In future I will definitely share with you in my upcoming videos, so keep watching. And they look very heavy, but honestly these are very light and weight. You can wear all day. Next one is this dangling earrings, and this one is my personal favorite. See here the original look, very beautiful. So let me know in the comment box which one your favorite. Like, share, comment and keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.